Now here is how you can send images in a specific order on the WhatsApp platform. So let me explain it, and if you are new here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So we start by getting inside of the WhatsApp. As usual, you can get inside of any chats you want, and of course, in order to send the messages right here or send the photos, just click on the plus button next to the text field and click on photos. Right now you can see that your gallery gets selected in here, or it gets like shown to you, so you have the ability to select the photos as you want. And the point is that you can see that this photo is number 1, and you essentially can select as many pictures as you want and in the order that you want to send them in, right? So I'm going to start with this image, second one is going to be this one, and the third is going to be the option or the photo from the airplane, whatever that is, right? So we have the 1, 2, and 3, right? So that's a distinct order. Right now I'm going to click on send like this, and you can see that they are indeed in that order. So if I go inside, you can see the first one is this, then, and this is the third one. So that's how you essentially change the order. You are doing that when you are selecting the images to be sent, right? So even if you, for example, click on the camera and capture a photo like this, you always have the ability to add more, right? And just add more images into it, or take some additional pictures, right? So yeah, that's something which you can definitely do, right? Of course, as I say, you can pick the images in any order you want and you'll be able to send them over. So I hope it helps. I hope that this is what you were looking for. If you found this video helpful, just hit the thumbs up to let me know, but definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this so you never miss anything important, and I'll see you later.